I wanted to do a career path that needed a traditional education, but I didn't want to have the traditional education feel. I first discovered Warren Wilson through a college fair, actually. A week later, I set up a tour, and then the week after that, I had done early decision, and I was committed. My name is Kylie Taylor. I'm a freshman here at Warren Wilson. I'm on student engagement crew, and I'm a social work and outdoor leadership double major. It's hard to say what made it feel like the right fit. I think going to the admissions office and getting a tour, and they handed me a dozen eggs and tea that was made at the herb cabin. I was like, this is not a state school. This is not a normal college. And then I got to see the pigs. You don't get to see that usually on your tours. It's nice to have the balance between being here that feels like you're like tucked into a little corner of the woods, and then you can drive like 20 minutes and be in downtown Asheville. Before coming to Warren Wilson, I had never backpacked before. Couldn't tell you the last time I camped. I went out in the woods for 3 days. We went out to Huntfish Falls, and I was scared out of my mind. My whole fear all summer long was that I was going to have to dig a cat hole. It was like, I don't even know how to describe it. It was so peaceful, and I think it'll stay one of the best experiences of my life in general. I got bit by the camping bug, and since then I've just been camping and backpacking like as much as I can. This school definitely prepares you to be a lifelong learner because everything is so based in experience that it's like you're learning as you do here. I'm on student engagement. We help with student activities. We help out the housing department. Work crews on campus are a giant part of Warren Wilson. You know, you get to see these people every day. You get to work with them. It's not just your classmates. It's a cool experience that a lot of other colleges don't have. I play rugby. I think the rugby team here has just such a special connection. It's been the most accepting and loving team I've ever been on. There's so much respect for each other. There's literally a place for anybody, and I think our team definitely like embodies that. Being a collegiate athlete here is definitely a different experience than a lot of schools. You're still very much an active part of the campus and the culture here. Athletics is just kind of the icing on the cake. I think I found a really good balance of academics, social, and athletics here at Warren Wilson. There's this like wide acceptance to get engaged in your hobbies and take time to go backpacking on the weekend with your friends or be involved on a sports team. The way that the work program and academics is set up naturally allow for a lot of exploration.